Okay, let's talk about your anxiety and your fear behind cold calling, because a lot of you guys are so close to changing your entire real estate career, never worrying about where your next listing is going to come from, your next commission check, but that fear is paralyzing you. Number one, I need you guys to stop measuring your confidence and your self-worth with what you have in the bank and what you've accomplished in real estate, because it does not matter. If you got $5,000 in the bank and it's your first year in real estate, that doesn't mean that you're not a good real estate agent. It just means that you haven't had enough experience yet. And the only way to get experience is by doing. So I need you guys to understand, what helped me is this. There's gonna be two types of people in this situation. And not like, oh, the people that figure it out and the people that don't. Not that two types of people. There's gonna be people that have a little bit of money, that might have another source of income. Maybe they're married and they don't have to work. Maybe they inherited money. Maybe they are retired and they're just dabbling. Or there's the people like me and you that literally had no parachute and had to figure it out. For me, I had to make money with real estate. I had to make money with real estate. It had to work. There were no other options. I moved away from my family and everything I ever knew to come to Michigan, from Michigan to Miami. So there wasn't like this playing around thing. So I had the mindset of, okay, I need business immediately. I need to figure out how to do that. And I need to figure out how to pay my bills, because failure is not an option. So number one, don't measure your success and your confidence based off your bank account and your experience, because if that's the case, you're always going to be chasing. And I can tell you guys, after $100 million plus sold and making millions of dollars, you still are going to have to chase and compete with the person who's made tens of millions of dollars, who sold $1 billion worth of real estate. It never ends. That's the chase. You have to understand that these people that you're talking to on the phone when it comes to cold calling, they don't know you. You don't know them. And let me just preface for anybody, if my client were to see this, or a client, I am very relationship driven. I am a great guy. I'm a great friend. I'm a great real estate agent to my clients. But if I don't know you and we're just talking on the phone, you mean nothing to me. And let me explain why. That's psychological. Dude, it's like walking through a crowd of people. Like, who do I care most about? If I'm walking with my daughter and my girl take priority over these random strangers, right? Like, I don't wish bad on anyone. I wouldn't leave someone stranded on the street, but like, you are literally just a number on a dialer, and I'm not gonna let you, in your bad mood and your negativity against me, or may not get, because some of you guys are gonna get rejection. It just is what it is. Think about it, dude. They don't know you. It's natural. It's like if somebody walks up to you in the mall when you're just looking and you go, hello, can I help you? What do you say? No, I'm just looking. You're attacking me. They feel attacked. It's like pressure. So you have to understand that they're going to give you pushback. They're going to be resistant. And you just have to understand that, okay, you're a number on a board. And once you understand that it's math, it's literally all mathematics. If you talk to 20 people on the phone and you are an average cold caller, and you follow the same script, you don't deviate, you don't change it 100 freaking times, you literally will understand that for every 2 hours you spend on the phone, you book X amount of appointments, you go on X amount cancel, you get X amount of listings, and you won't even have to think about it. But I'm telling you, you have to put this fear aside, like, F it, I'm gonna do it because I'm afraid. You're gonna face it head on because you don't want to. And your business, 90% of your business's problems could be fixed with the one thing that you're avoiding, which is cold calling. Now, aside from the fear of rejection, the fear of not knowing what to say might be the second thing, or it might be the first thing for you. I can tell you guys that I do free trainings on this all the time that you'll see maybe once a month. You can find scripts online that are not gonna be as good as mine, but they'll do better than what you have right now. Follow a script. Don't sound like a robot. I'm not even worried about tonality and frameworks and isolating and all the other technological terms that I could give you and nerdy terms I can give you with sales. I just want you to find a script. I want you to call a list of people, whether it be expireds or for sale by owners, and just do it over and over and over and over and over again until you are literally so bored of it, so sick of it that you've gotten good. Because once you get good, you will get bored of it. That's just how it goes. But you will not be bored of making money. So number one, get over the fear, because people are just a number. They don't know you. They don't owe you anything. And that you would be the same way if you were them. And if you can come from a position of like, they need you, because they do. A lot of you guys feel like you're bothering. Let me just give you some tips. Number one, there is no, hey, is this John? There is no, hey, how are ya, Rebecca? Or, hey, how are you doing today? The weather's so nice. They don't give a shit about that. If you are a person of value, you are gonna come correct, you're gonna come direct, you're gonna say, hey, I need 15 minutes of your time. I'm 100% certain that I can help you sell your property. I was talking to one of my coaching clients today who sent me a cold call recording, and the guy was like, what did he say? He said, hey, Tim, it's John. Hey, I got 2 quick questions for you. You got 30 seconds. Good opener, good tonality. The guy goes, yeah, who are you? He goes, I'm John with EXP. He goes, EXP. He's like, oh yeah, I'm another real estate agent. I'm like, dude, no. Everything else is good up until I'm another one of those annoying salespeople. It's like, no, I'm John with EXP. I'm a real estate agent. Real quick, I had a question for you. Your property, did that sell? He's like, no, it's still available. He goes, that's why I'm calling. I am 100% certain it should have sold. And the guy goes, well, we'll sell it right now, but we're putting it back on the market in January. We took it off for the holidays. And he goes, oh, okay, got it. Where do you plan on going? And the guy's like, well, let me just stop you right there before you go anywhere. I already have another agent. This is where most people collapse to because you just don't know what to say. I literally would have said, oh my God, thank God I got you now before you jump into another contract. By the way, did you sign it yet? No, I didn't. Okay, good. Tim, before you jump back into another contract, I see so many sellers make this mistake. They were on the market for 6 months with a previous agent. It didn't work out, and they rush back into another one. All I want to do is give you a second opinion. I'm 100% certain the property should have sold. I just need 15 minutes of your time. Can I see it tonight at 6 or tomorrow at 5? Be better for you. Literally, when you just know what to say and you start seeing the success with it, even if you don't get listings right away, you just book appointments, that's how you know. The last thing I'm going to say is this, guys. Success is boring. It's doing the same thing over and over and over and again. But the other thing is you are literally going to make it if you follow a proven process. Like, I don't know how to tell it to you any other way. If you just put your head down and grind, you don't deviate from real estate, you just do real estate sales, you figure out cold calling, you're building a personal brand congruently with it, and you stick to the script and you keep doing it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, and you don't deviate, you will make it. Your measurement should be, am I getting appointments? Okay, I'm getting appointments, but I'm not getting listings. All right, now I'm getting listings, but they're not selling. Now I'm getting listings and they're selling. Now I'm too busy and I don't know how to prospect because all my time's going towards my deals. There's always a new roadblock or hurdle. But if you follow the roadmap and you get over your anxiety and you think about the big picture, last thing I'll say is this. If you knew you were 30 hours away from figuring out how to get a listing of every hour of cold calling on the phone, how fast did you go through the 30 hours of cold calling? Let me say it again. If it took 1 hour a day for 1 month, let's say you see this in January. If it took all of January of getting rejection, nothing. February, you finally learn for every hour on the phone, you book an appointment. For every 2 hours you spend on the phone, you go on 2 appointments. That's 10 a week. Let's say you get 3 listings out of that. People cancel, you lose the other, you get 3 listings. And those are all 500 grand each. That's $1.5 million each. Let's say I'm too high. Let's say you get $1.5 million a month in listings. How fast would you want to learn and how fast would you want to fail? That is it. That's all I have. If you guys do exactly what I'm telling you, I promise you will make it. And once you start getting appointments and you want to figure out the tonality and the pace and the objection handling and you want to up your skill set a little bit, go visit the other YouTube videos I have. And those of you that are really serious, that want the full playbook, that has worked for hundreds of my students, thousands all over the country and the world, that we've collectively done over $45 million in GCI. And billions in sales. Click the link in my bio, have a conversation with my team. We'll reach out to you, see if we can help you and point you in the right direction, or we will show you what it looks like to work alongside us. And for the real sauce, follow me on Instagram, like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell. I promise you 2026, I am bringing absolute fucking heat. If you guys have any suggestions on videos, tap in, put it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.